freedom. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anywhere you are joining me from, please, when you enter, you click the like button and share it. I want you to tag anybody you know from Israel, any Jewish prime minister or the person you know, the Pope, the Bishop of Anglican of anywhere, the Pope, the Papa, the Pope of Catholic Church, the head of Christendom in a Catholic church, the Jewish prime minister, Netanyahu, the Israeli prime minister, or whatever they call them. Please, I want you to bring them here. I want you to share it when you join me. Good afternoon, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Anywhere you're seeing me, this is the face of Ada Biafra. We've been keeping quiet and we've been claiming that we are from Jewish, we have Jewish blood, we are Israel brothers and sisters, and they are keeping quiet while they are massacring the Christian. 99% Christians are going down on a daily basis. The Fulani terrorists, the jihadist terrorists, the Muslims are killing the Christians, and nobody is talking. I want to call on all the Christians all over the world. You are in America, you are in Canada, you are in Europe, Asia, anywhere you are. I want you to know that this fight is not only fight for Nigeria or the killing of only Biafra people. If you are a Christian, if you are a believer of God, and you are keeping quiet, this is not the time to keep quiet. This terrorist is like a virus that will eat and eat and eat and eat everybody. Thank you for joining. If you don't fight, remember your Bible tells you that the violent take it by force. That's why everybody is avoiding the Muslim, because they are violent. And you want me to keep telling you that, telling the world that I'm a Christian. Now, why am I saying this? Because I know that in some places, like the Jewish or like the Israelite, or like, they will always come and tell you, do you know what they call the first child, the first female child? Ada. Ada. They call it Ada. And where I come from is the same thing, Ada. And they gave us something like our people are wearing today and going up and down and saying they are Christians, they are this one, they are Jewish, they are the Jews of Africa. And the Jews are keeping quiet while they are killing their brothers and sisters. Hello? Am I coming out? Is anybody hearing me? I am calling on all the Jewish prime minister or whatever you have, Israeli prime minister, and the Pope to start talking, because when we start zipping your throat, when we start talking about how to starve you, it will affect you, because all this contribution that is going to Rome, we can stop it. As a Christian, as a Catholic that I am, we have something that is going to Rome on every Sunday. All the things that they starve children, they rape our mother, they kill our children, they kill Christians, they kill in Nigeria. Every day in Christian community, they kill almost 500. And nobody is talking. Nobody is talking. Even the Reverend Father, they kill the Reverend Sisters as if they are animals, and nobody is talking. Please, when you are joining me, share this. Because if you are sharing it, tag it to all the Christian leaders, whether it's your Reverend Father, because all of them have visa to travel outside. That's why they are not talking. Thank you, Anselm. They are all coward people. You are keeping quiet because you have money. Our people, our hungry people, our aged men and women are contributing to buy car for you, feeding you in your parishes. That's why you are keeping quiet. And the Israel that claim that they are Christian, they are the head of Christian, they are this one. Our leader was once first appeared in Israel. Everybody saw it. And today they are holding our leader without committing no crime. And they are keeping quiet. The Jewish will always come and tell me that you are the Jewish of Africa. And our people foolishly are buying to that. Our people are foolishly buying to that. I am not happy. Ada Biafra from Chicago is not happy. How are you? Yes, I see everybody. If you are joining me, please write our code. I am calling on all the Christian leaders all over the world. You are Jewish, you are Israelite, you are this, you are that, and the Pope, and the Bishop, and all the religious leaders all over the world. Because the money that you are using to make today, sorry, the money, Minister of Information gave me one information. The money we are contributing today is going into your stomach. You are getting fat and fat. You told us about Sky Jesus, but when the Pope was sick, I saw him going to the hospital. The Bible will tell you this and tell you that. Even the religious leader in Nigeria will even coin it the more to favor them. Instead of asking the government to build hospital, build road for you, build factories. Your reverend father, the religious leader will tell you to come and give them tithe, give them this, give them that. They will use it to build their own heaven on earth. I am not happy because Abahuzo were mba ona hechi. Abahuzo were mba ona hechi. Thank you, Sondani. If you are joining anytime you watch this video, I'm not gonna make it to be long, maybe 30 minutes. Or maybe people can call in. Let me put the number. Let me put the number. So that you will see it. So that people that knows anything concerning the Israel or the Jewish will tell us. Let me not do it alone, because sometimes when I'm angry like this and doing my program alone, I need people to contribute if what I'm saying is not true. Tell me the day you have seen the Pope condemning the killing of Christians, condemning the killing of 99% Christians are being killed every day. They are killing Christians every day in that country and nobody is talking. Only Biafrans are the one talking. When will you open up? When will you say something about the killing of the people that you call the Christians, the people that contribute money for your private jet, the people that contribute money for your welfare? Let me put the number. Hold on 1 second. The people that contribute money for your feeding, clothe you. You will from this parish go to another parish. They will start buying this one, buying car for you, buying food, contributing food that they don't even eat. They will start contributing it for you. And how you pay them back is when the Fulani are busy attacking them, when the terrorists are busy attacking them, you are not doing nothing. You don't do nothing. You don't care. And tomorrow you tell me that Nigeria is Christian state, that you love Nigeria. You see why you love Christians. You see why I'm kicking against this Christianity. Because I'm not happy. If the leader of the Christendom, like the Pope, have been keeping quiet without missing a word, without voicing out, while our people are going down, the Christendom on one side. It's only in America here that I've seen that Christianity is working the way it's supposed to work. And not because they are not killing your brothers over there, because the people they are killing is the ones you hate, because you hate them. You hate us so much. But you came to tell us about our religion. You gave us the one you want us to be buying into. The Bible, we bought it with our money. All the things you are telling us, we use our own hard-earned money. Suffering. You are milking us. You are still manipulating the brain of our people. Hold on, let me put number so that people that want to call will call in. The thing is annoying. It's very, very annoying. When I see what is going on, I don't like it. I don't like it. The Pope is not saying anything. The Reverend Father, the religious leaders are not saying anything. The other day in Jos, they killed almost 500. The Benue people, they kill the whole north, all the Christians in the north, they tie all of them. Even the ones that want to be Muslim, they still cut their heads. They are the Jews. What do you call the Jews? They told you that we are this, we are that, we are the Jews of Africa. You are there, they are killing your people. They are killing your people. When Israel have war, they face it squarely. When the America have war, they face it squarely. They convert them. That's why you guys supposed to call, because I'm not happy when this thing is going on and our people are going down every day. Nobody is talking. Only Biafrans. And tomorrow you come and tell me to be a Christian. I'm not happy about it, because this is not going down well. If you are keeping quiet and they are killing the Christians, the 99% Christians in that Nigeria, in that dungeon called Nigeria, how do you want us to continue the faith? The faith you told us about God, about Jesus, about whatever. How do you want us to continue when you are not doing anything, when they are killing them? And you saw the Reverend Father, the camp president, they were all shouting Jesus, and all of them were cut into pieces by these jihadist terrorists, and nobody is talking. The Reverend Father, the Reverend Sister, the people in seminary school, the school children, innocent children, are being massacred on a daily basis. What you guys are interested in the offerings, tithe, offering, otu ụzọ n'ụzọ iri, a na-ebute unu, a na-eto afọ, unu hụkwuo nwaanyị, unu echie ya. The other day now, they buy somebody's wife in a hotel. That is the kind of Christianity they practice over there. O chigide nwunye mmadụ, chigide, ọ dịzị ya ka dịtụ na ọ ga-apụta, ọchọ ọta pịapịa tirie na nke ahụ agbatịa, ọchọkwa ọzọ. Call in if you want to call in. Hold on, let me put the number, because I'm not happy. Every time they're killing our people. I've been waiting for the one that called himself a pope. He will not say nothing. Bishop Oraniga will not say nothing. And other people, TB Adebanjo, all of them, they will not say nothing, because they are benefiting one way or the other. Why the congregation that feed you, that made you who you are, that bought all those private jets, are being slaughtered on a daily basis by the Fulani terrorists? You cannot say nothing. How do you want me to continue being that Christian? Before now, we have what we serve. You came to give us nonsense and call it anything you call it. Painted it white and painted Satan black. The Bible you gave us today, we are buying it. America, listen, I am in your house. You think all these things happening in Africa will not affect you? One way or the other, it will come to you. One way or the other, if you support evil, evil will surely come to you. Because you are supporting because of oil, whatever we have. You want us to be dying so that you keep milking us with our mineral resources, or you are supporting because of the Eliza group of company, your sister or your brother. Which one do I call it? They will not say nothing. Nobody is saying nothing. Today, you are a Reverend Father. You cannot move around with your robe inside the car in Nigeria. Nobody. If you are a reverend sister, you will be hiding. Even to wear your uniform as a reverend sister is a problem. And the Pope is keeping quiet because they are my brothers. They are my sister. It doesn't concern you. They are Satan. They are painted with Satan color. That's why the Pope is not saying nothing. Call the number if you want to contribute. The number is on the screen. I am not happy when tomorrow they will say you wear turban, you put something in your hair. You are putting something. You are the Jews. You are the Israelites. You are this one. You are. That is why you see our leader in DSS dungeon. The court that is holding him have said this man is innocent. Let him go and pay him compensation. Because they bought him. What are you showing us? What do you want us to learn from you? Tag Obugad, tag that old fool. Tag that Obugad. Let me understand why he's supporting that they should hold our leader and stop sit at home. No, you guys have tried all your resources. So again. Obugad have never come out to condemn the killing of our people by the Fulani. You will not see him. You will not see Obugad or Hanez and Dinkpurumini. None of them will come out. They will not. But they want sit at home to stop. How do you want sit at home to stop? Why? What caused sit at home is still there. You want our leader to die in DSS dungeon. You want all the Biafrans the Fulani are holding in DSS dungeon. You want them to all die. You want the people they have killed in the cause of our freedom to just die in vain. I don't want to warm up in my house. All of them. Call the number if you want to call. The number is on the screen now. Because it is not something people will keep quiet again. It has gotten to this level. You call yourself a Christian, you call us. Yes, let's take this call. Make sure you like this video and share it. Hello?
Hello?
Yes. You want to contribute to the program?
My dear Biafrans, I greet all of you. It's terrible. What we are seeing in Bizu is really terrible. Our governors are trying everything to stop sit at home. But go to the root cause of the sit at home, you don't want to go there. The only thing you want to stop sit at home, stop sit at home. Why would people stop sitting at home? When the reason of sit at home is still there, glaring at our faces. In fact, Biafra, I don't know how I'm going to. You know, religion. Like what I used to tell people, that religion is a deceit. Brought Africans to cage us. Now I used to tell people, the Bible said, when they slap you here, turn to the other side. But I used to tell people, look at where I'm. You see all those churches coming to court. Why are they coming to court? You see a pastor bringing another pastor to court. The Bible told you that when they slap you here, turn to the other side, or you should continue forgiving. As they are doing whatever to you, continue forgiving. But what surprises me, my sister, and Biafrans all over the world, you see, the last time there was a case in where I work, do you know that these pastors, they came to the church? What brought them to the church? Money. They are dragging for their church money. I was like, inside the church, they couldn't solve this problem by themselves. They had to bring it to court. Can you imagine?
Oh.
But you got congregations. Please forgive yourself. So the Bible said forgive 70 times 70. Right here, we have a lot of cases. Pastors, pastor this. Why can't they forgive themselves? Why are they not bringing to case to court? Our leader to wake up. I'm telling you, pastor, you couldn't forgive your fellow pastor. You have to bring him to court. But you go and be deceiving the congregation. And that's why you see that the Christian will fold their hands and the Muslim will be killing them, massacring them. Telling them when they get still, when they want to kill you, don't retaliate. Once you kill you, go to heaven. The heaven that you have not seen. But you are saying, you that is deceiving the gullibles, you are taking your children to abroad, you build your passion in abroad. Why not you? Die now so that you go to heaven. You say you don't want to die.
Exactly.
You will be deceiving people. Time for Africa, especially we Igbos, we need to wake up. Now you see some churches, they will have hospital. I will be asking them, how come a pastor that will be saying that God gave me power to heal, then why are you having hospital? When you have the power to heal, why do you have hospital in your church?
Exactly.
If you actually have the power to heal, we really need to wake up. Biafrans, we need to wake up.
Exactly.
And we must fight. Sit at home can never stop, no matter what those evil governors and Ohanes and Indian queens are doing in our land to stop sit at home. Sit at home will never stop. If you want sit at home to stop, let release our beloved Martin Nambekano that Chukwuekike has sent to come and liberate us. We want to teach him so that we not out of, but never know that God has sent somebody else. That not even know him is there. Even if you trust someone or somebody else to come out, what you have to do is better for you to surrender and allow us to go. We are not one, we can never be. Just like some people who come to my office, we are nation, Nigeria my nation. I'll take them. By the way, you that is talking Nigeria is a nation. Do you know the meaning of a nation? Go give me your phone and tell me the meaning of a nation. You look at it and say, I'm not asking, you think that a nation is people of the same culture, the same history, the same ideology, the same language, almost everything will be almost 99 or 90%. And I say now, tell me, even you as a lawyer, you don't know the meaning of a nation. Is Nigeria a nation or a contraction? He was looking at me. I said, please, don't you ever call me your sister. I said, but I'm a Christian. Even though I'm from the north, I'm a Christian. I said, you are a Christian, I'm an Igbo lady. It's only somebody that is Igbo is my brother or sister. I do not have anything to do with you. Christian, my food. Christian, my food. Go to your north and look for your brothers and sisters. I do not have anything to do with you. We are the great Igbo race.
Wow.
That's why we want to be able to. We are proud of who we are. Go and be proud of your root and fight for your freedom. Leave us alone. We are the great Igbo race. Even when God created us, he said, the great Igbo race. We are the great Igbo race, and we want our freedom. And that freedom we must get. So that we explore our potentials. So that our people will enjoy. So that our people will have life before they will die.
Exactly.
How can we say change? How can we be changed? That they will not allow us to do anything. If you want to explore our potential, they will cage us down. Dangote cement, Dangote soft, Dangote, they close all our own brothers and sisters, industry and factories, and promoted their own. And see some fools who want to be in Nigeria. That their mother and their mom want them.
You say,
man that wants Almighty, the fire from thunder, Majo will strike that person, especially if that person is an Igbo person.
You say,
want to stay in Nigeria.
You say,
from the system. I always say, those eating from the system, are you up to 1%? No. You can never be more than 91% that want to live. When Europeans did their revolution, it's the Christian farmer that stood up against their kings and queens, massacred all of them and got their freedom. That's why you saw people running to Europe. We have to stay and get our freedom. Freedom is what we need. What we must get. And now the kind must be released, whether they like it or not. Like the Biafran governor or so-called Igbo governors, you have to go and release your brother. Are you not ashamed of yourselves?
You're not to pull on.
Fulani release Boko Haram, put them in military, put them in the police, send them to your place to go and be killing your people. Look at the one I saw last week in one social media. You see that when Boko Haram protesting that they've not paid them their allowances. Biafrans, Chineke, Bikonu, or Obodo Akunu Chokai Noru, when I need to call you, my God, am I continue? Now we terrorist country. Bikonu, let them join hands together, get our freedom. South Sudan has gotten their freedom. Eritrea moved out of Ethiopia. With every other countries, is our own going to be different? No, we must get freedom. We must get our freedom, whether they like it or not. We are not, and we can never be. Oil and water can never mix together, no matter how they try to do it. Other race, go and be proud of who we are, who you are. Fight for your own freedom and leave us alone. All of you parasites, leave us alone. We want to be on our own.
God bless you. Thank you. Please, if you call and I don't pick your call, you drop a voice note. Drop a voice. We must restore Biafra. If you call and I didn't pick your call, make sure you drop voice. We must go home. Biafra is our home. Remember our code. Wherever you are joining me, we are not happy. Do you know what the implications of what these reverend fathers and pope and bishops are doing? Are the reasons they are killing Biafrans. When during the election, they even dedicated a Catholic church to do election where they are killing your people. Everybody was there when they were Kedahia, Oranikuto Oraniga came, and some of them started even telling people how to vote in election. What does that mean? They are still supporting Nigeria that is spying you. They are still supporting, and most of them have visas, have a green card and whatever in another country. Tell me a reverend father that you know that have not traveled outside Nigeria. Do you that is supporting them, do you have passport? You don't even have passport. So why will you be supporting people that they can disappear? They have their plan B. They can disappear in 5 minutes. They can disappear in 5 seconds. They are keeping quiet, and the Catholic Church is sending them Otuzonuziri. And people are keeping quiet. The Israel that they told you that we are Jews, so the Jews, we are the Jews of Africa. Jews of Africa, and all her name boogie. All Beham Bahagaji were rescue again. Tell me what they have done. Have you had Pope? Have you heard that Pope said anything concerning the killing of 99% Christians in Nigeria? When will he voice out? If he has not voiced out here now. Why are you still going to church and contributing? Why are you still doing that? Because asal obologe, sachachaya wiyomo. If there's heaven, do you think this Oyibo will allow you to go the same heaven with them? Do you think that when you have a heaven in this no one in heaven, who have been there? Why are they postponing it? Can they give you visa today and you postpone the travel? Can they give you American visa today and say you must go tomorrow? You say I'm back or next year. Can you postpone going to America next year? Can you postpone it? That they gave you. Why are they blocking the borders? Why are they telling you when you go to visa self, they bounce you back? They don't allow you to come and enjoy what Ada Biafra is enjoying in Chicago. But they want you to go to the same heaven with them. Why do they have office where you will go before they give you visa? How many of you have visas? Do you even have passport? Because they treat you like animal. That's why when Boko Haram, even Jirika and Goodluck Jonathan was dealing with the Boko Haram, the North came out to say that the fight against Boko Haram is fight against the North. And they did not see to get jets to send to them. Immediately they saw that Biafrans are taking the bull by the horn. The America now use my taxpayers' money to go and give them to Kano Jet. If you want to call to contribute, call. 10 minutes, call. I am not happy. Ada Biafra from Chicago is not happy that Israeli prime minister or Jewish prime minister or the Pope or the Christian leaders are keeping quiet all over the world. Come and see how Christians, how Reverend Father and churchgoers are being treated in America. You saw the other day how they were giving them free food, free everything. Even people that were pregnant, they were giving baby cats, baby cars, small things that they will use when they give birth. How many times have your pastor asked you whether you eat or not? Or Reverend Father? How many of you have paid for burial of your father in the Reverend Father? Your mother died. How much did you pay? Before they will even come to just give a mass, 1 hour mass for the dead, they will still charge you more. And I am not happy. If you want to call, you call. The number is on the screen. Yes. Call the number if you want to call. Nobody is talking. Nobody is talking. They don't care because of Basaha. All those things are, these ones are animal. They want you to keep living like animal. Why they suck you all your mineral resources? If America is not interested in your mineral resources, why are they supporting? Why are they supporting the Fulani killing Biafrans? No, they will not react, Francis. They will not. You will not see them. Thank you. James Friday, I see you. Ifani, I see you. Francis Chim, I see you. Where are the Israel? They can never react to Mazen Nandekanu detention. And Nandekanu first appeared in Israel when he escaped death. And they are watching. He escaped death, and that first appearance was in Israel. Now, if Mazen Nandekanu do Jesus, the Oyibo will not take him. He is my own Jesus, as far as I'm concerned now. The Savior that I've known, that I've seen, that I've touched. But who never cement, Vunyai, well, actor, say art or art, a buya cement, and the buyer never kissing cement. If we finally decide, because we are going to restore Biafra, and restoration and liberation will go all around that. All those nonsense, we will stop it. We must put a stop to it. After all, you kept us. You are looking at us now. Nobody's doing anything. Why they are killing the Christians? So if we fight by ourselves and finish getting it, you come and give us that sky Jesus. Jesus, my great grandfather had been waiting for him. He didn't come. My father waited for it. He didn't come. I waited for him now. Never can go 50 years. Our children are still waiting. Mad people everywhere. You told us this. You told us, yeah, we are Christians. This, that. You are there now. They are Islamizing Nigeria without Biafrans. By now, Ebony Nakabugo Islamization. By now, without what we are doing, without Biafrans resisting the zoo, the Fulani terrorists, these jihadist terrorists call themselves Muslims. They are the one killing Biafrans, killing everybody, killing the Benue people, killing the Plateau people, killing the Nasarawa people, Kaduna Christians, all of them. And nobody is talking. Tomorrow, Pope will come and say, yes, Papa, this thing. Where is Pope? Is it not time for him to talk? Is it not time for Pope to come out and talk about what is going on in Nigeria? When will he talk if he is not talking today? he talk if he cannot talk till now? When? Jesus is coming very soon. Very soon when? Very soon when? When is soon? How soon is the soon? Adala ụmụnne m kechisie na-eri ha gwogwo. And the pastors and reverend father that is telling you about heaven, they don't want to die now to go to the heaven. Heaven or so no so. You are milking, pay tithe, you put envelope, you put money, you put prayer request. They will go and burn it. Say, put all your prayer requests there. Just such a envelope. Marry no when I go and for your child, your child. Will you go hear the hammer? They will buy their own heaven in earth. All of them, even the ones that started talking about our leader, because they know that why are you building church and hospital? And the people that is your congregation cannot even attend to that school or hospital when they are sick. They cannot afford the school fees. What kind of nonsense is that? Till when will you wake up, Biafrans? These people are not our brothers, so they are not our sisters, so they don't have anything concerning you. Your death doesn't bother them. They will contribute yam, they could contribute plantain, goat, cassava, everything, fowl, a putel hawk, you will nafa. They will even marry our brother's wife more than them. They sleep with our brother's wife more than our brothers sleep with their wives. Is it young girls? This Christian leaders, this Christendom is a scam. It's a scam. In Africa, in Nigeria. It's only in America that I'm even considering small, little of what they told you in that Bible. Here they will give you food. They will ask you, do you have job? They will give you many things. But over there, you are on your own. Thank you. I am not happy. I am not happy. If the people that claim that we are their brothers in Africa, Jews of Africa, Biafrans are Jews of Africa, Igbos are the Jews of Africa. Jikọta n'onwe unu ọnụ. Jikọta n'onwe unu ọnụ hapụ arụrụ ana ka arụ ana hapụ unu. Arụrụ ana gba afọ bụla arụrụ gbada. Ihe ndị a ji ya agwọ bụ ji mmanụ kpaka. Since I was born, I've never seen that man. A man that's supposed to respect himself so much. He came out. The Jews, the Christian. If I know Oba will be jumping up, but I'm not the kind of wife. Go to Radio Biafra and tell them that you don't have frontal lobe. He will go again and tell them that Nnamdi Kanu is even living better than you guys outside. He will come out. He will send Asane Dakubo or threatening, and none of you, none of Ohaneze challenged Asari, who threatened to kill all the Igbos. The same way his father, his late father, killed them. But now all of you are coming out to look for Simon, to look for how to stop sit at home. Because killing of our people doesn't even bother you. Sit at home. Sit at home is more important than people coming to live studio, coming. They don't hide their face to tell you that they will kill you. And nobody is talking about it. You will never see a reverend father in the pulpit talking about that threat. You will never see a religious leader, whether Adebanjo or Adeboye, Adebanjo or Amamiho Nabia. You will never see them. come out to condemn it. Because they are walking in line with everywhere. They are walking in line with the Fulani. They are walking in line with the Yoruba State. They are walking in line with Johannes and Kurumini. They are walking in line. All of them are connived together. Guess what? Simon got last bus stop. Oga go ochikota go no like this. Kechu when talk yesu we no ni mokwa bis. Obeloge ha, some of you will jump up and down. Let's go and do election in Imo State. Obeloge ho bidokwa. Mbege bi ebubu nu na go see video. They are not killing me. I am okay here. Until we restore Biafra. They are not killing Ada Biafra from Chicago. They are not killing Simon Ekpa. It's you that is supporting them that they will stay come. And I won't give you America that you are applying for visa today, they fought their own, one way or the other. And you are calling yourself a Christian. A Christian. When I go to church, I've stopped contributing my penny anywhere, any church all over the world. I don't care. If you invite me, you don't have food. Get out of my way. You pretend you as a pastor, so you pretend you don't hear about the Biafrans that are killing. But when they kill your brother, one of them, you start shouting. The Ukraine, the Russia you guys are talking about today, the people they killed in Ukraine and Russia put together, they are not even up to what the people they killed in Biafra land one day, in Nigeria one day. The one they killed in Benue State or Plateau for 500 people. 500 in a day. 501 in a day. Put them together, like a Ukraine. How many are Ukrainians they killed? The Russians they killed. How many are they? Please, if you want to call. If you don't want to call, I will end the broadcast. God bless our leader, Mazen Nandekano. Sit at home must continue. It must continue. You see, this our leader. Unconditional release of Mazen Nandekano is what we are asking. That is the only weapon we have now. All these military people you see that said they want to go to Niger, 5 minutes they better over in Niger. Because they are the virus that will come and kill our people. But thank God, now they are teaching. Let me show you. They are teaching. They are teaching the youth coppers how to do nonsense. Oh, my can they get use for people they will use. While no munugu. While no munugu, ban begging, only on your vulon okwe dio man. If you are hungry, you are hungry, not okay. Look at this one. Hold on. So that you will see. And I ask them, what is this one doing? What is this one doing? See what they are doing. They will use our brothers. How many Aboki they go school? How many Yoruba studs will do this? How many Aboki they go school? They just go Islamic studies. That's what they study. And nobody is talking. Look at what they are putting our children after graduating, after suffering, after hawking pure water. After hawking pure water to go to school, they will force you, because you are a youth copper, to come and fight for them in Niger. Bakwa begging. If you don't have food, it's better than go and die like a fowl. Enter your house. Sit at home must continue. See them. Just just for them to go and claim they want to rescue them. You see, that is what they do. Who are the people they will send to Boronu? Our people, Biafrans. So that they will go there and sacrifice them. They will reopen the orientation camp today, maybe yesterday. So that they will always eliminate our guys, our boys. Forcing you, humiliating you, forcing you to do job that you know is not your field, that you know that you don't want to do, but because you are not safe. Look at them. And nobody, no Christian leader is talking about it. So that they will send them to Niger and go there and eliminate them one by one. It's time to go. I love you, Biafrans. I just want to lay my voice on this because I've been keeping quiet. If the Pope is not saying anything, if the Jewish that claim that we are the Jews of Africa, that answer the same name as Ada, as whatever, they are not saying anything. When will they rescue you? When will they come to your aid? The Christian that told you to, when they slap you here, you turn this way. Why is America going for war? They should have kept quiet now so that they will massacre all of them once and for all. But when America have war, you see them. They will get their military out. They will bring weapons. They will even buy more. Yes, they are the enemies of our freedom. They are the enemies of our people. But we must go. We are not waiting for them because each other so we must defend ourselves. We must defend ourselves with the last drop of blood. They will not come until you start fighting. Even not Putin. If we see Satan today, we will join Satan. Also, join here. Whatever the Satan serve now, we will serve it and keep your sky Jesus for you. Mad people everywhere. You told us that Jesus is coming. Jesus is coming. And they are killing your people. You are not talking. Jesus is coming. Jesus is coming. And you cannot talk. Stop calling me, please. I'm busy. If you want to call before we end the program. Margaret, if you want to call. They've been killing our people and nobody, they pretended. Tomorrow they will tell you, Jesus of our time. Jesus of Mkpurumiri. Nonsense. God bless you, Biafrans. I love you guys. Let's call it a day. I see everybody. Onyema. Who is there? Okay. God bless you guys. Good night from this side. The terminators are in my house. Let me end it. Make sure